Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Beauty by Kandi, and today we are going to be checking out my lipstick collection. So, if this is your first time here, welcome. And this is my returning fam, then thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys and I appreciate you so much. I'm going to try and do this whole entire video with these lashes on. Hopefully they don't irritate me because my eyes are getting really sensy. So we gonna see how this goes. Alright, so like I said, today's video is going to be on my lipstick collection. And actually, before we start, how do you guys like this makeup look? I have been doing a lot more bright stuff, and I gotta say, I feel like I'm getting back to the old Kandi. So hopefully you guys like it because I like it, and if you guys do and you want to see me recreate this look, then let me know in the comments down below, okay? So let's just go ahead and hop into my lipstick collection. So as I said in my last video, I don't separate my lipsticks by brand. I separate them by color. Because for me, it's much easier if I know I need to find like a certain color. I can do that instead of having to go through the brand and then find that color through the brand. I just go straight to the point and just find a color. So I have different color options. So I have reds, whites, silvers, and this is golds. This is also oranges and just basically oranges and reds. Then these ones are going to be all the blues, greens, and purples. And then these are all my nudes, so pinks, peaches, brown tones, these are all in here. And then in here is like literally all my randos and small lipstick colors, like actual small ones, and I don't know how this is gonna last, y'all. We might. Okay, so I guess we'll just start with the bigger one because that's the one with all the issues. So I'm gonna shoot, I'll show like a clip of all the lipsticks from this container out here just so you can see it. The majority of these though are a lot of Jeffree Star products. I got, as I mentioned before, my boyfriend got me a crap ton of these for Christmas, and I didn't know a lot of things are happening with his words, and I'm not too fond of wearing a product of someone that doesn't like people of color. So, you know, I love the lipsticks. I'll say this, like the actual lipstick products I love because they're super dry, their color is pigmented. My best friend Maria is the one that introduced me to Jeffree Star, and she's a woman of color too. And I really do like his products. It's just the person. I just don't believe in their ways. So not too fond of that. But as I was saying before, I do have random stuff in here. As far as the shades go, I'll show you my pinks. So for the pinks, I got this one. This one is their NARS crayon pencil. I believe I got this from Sephora for a birthday gift. I haven't used this one, but this is Maybelline Color Jolt, and this is in the shade Stripped Down. And it's nice, like mauve-y, like pinkish tone. Really good to go on the like nude lip, and it's very like light and shimmery. It's a nice texture. As you know, I did say on my other previous videos I have Black Radiance Beauty, and this is one of their pink lipsticks. This is from Sephora, and this is one of their mini glosses. And I just like it because it's really plain, but it gives that nice little pop of shimmer if you need it, and it glides on really well. The next one is from Black Radiance Beauty. Again, this is also from one of the previous videos that I had before, especially from the Valentine's Day lips. The next one is from Bite, and this is in the shade Thistle. And this is like a mauve gray tone, and that's really pretty too. So this is a NYX lipstick, and this is in the shade Gold Digger. This is a nice deep berry tone color. And the next one is from Maybelline. This is their Vivid Matte color, and this is another very berry color. As you can see, it's very, very berry. As I stated on my haul video, this is the Kat Von D Everlasting lip paint. I actually have not used this yet, and I really want to. The only thing is that it super stains my lips. Like whenever I try doing a look with it, it just makes it look weird and completely stains my lips. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to like just wear it by itself. I think that's what we're gonna have to do. And then you already know this one. This is from my birthday video that I used and also got for my birthday, and I will link that one up here. This is from MAC. So let's now hop on to the reds. This one is again from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Alabama. And that's like a nice deep red. I think I got this when I had my business, and it's probably that old, so it probably could be tossed, but you know what I mean, my hoarderness, I probably won't toss it. So the next one is from NARS too. Again, I think this one and the first one that I showed, I think these both came in from in Sephora, and I got it as a gift. This is Cruella, and of course, you know, you gotta have the MAC Cosmetics, which is the Ruby Roo. I also did get this for my birthday as well. Now to go on to another purple one. I guess I forgot this one. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and this is in the shade Drunk Dial. I did do swatches of this on my Instagram account when I first got it, but I haven't used it since, and it's a really gorgeous shade, and it still smells like peaches. Okay, so the next one we have is from Urban Decay, and this is their Ultraviolet. And this shade is a really blue and shimmery, and I got this for my 29th birthday from my boo-boo. And then the last one from that container is the Kat Von D, and this is in the shade Plan 9, which will go perfectly with my hair right now. And this is a nice shimmery green shade, and I love that. I literally am a lipstick addict. I think that is where my mantra of love for lipstick and makeup come from. So let's go ahead and move on to the reds. As far as reds go, I have 4 from ColourPop, and these are the 4 red shades that I have from ColourPop. These I think I just did on my recent videos, the wing liner one, and also I forgot another one I just did. I think I did use all 4 of these recently. So if you want to know how they actually look, then check out those videos. So the last reddish shade I have is from Sephora, and I did recently use this one too. This is number 24. And then I have 3 different lip pencils, and they're also from NYX. They're 3 different red shades. And then as far as the orange goes, you saw the Smashbox one in my recent haul, and also the NYX lipstick. This one I did do a, I think there's something on Instagram with this lipstick. So those are my oranges and reds. On to my grays, whites, golds, and blacks. So I had a matte black lipstick. I don't know where it went. So the only other 2 black lipsticks that I have is from the Makeup Forever, and then the Neon, which is from Kat Von D. The Neon is like this nice gray, sparkly, gorgeous shade. That's Neon. And then you see me use the NYX, and it's like a nice shimmery black shade. So you can definitely tell the difference between the 2. I like them. But I did have a matte black. I really don't know where they're at. The next one I have is from Maybelline. This is a nice gray tone. This is also from their Vivid line. And that's the Maybelline. And then the shade Sinful Stone. And then, so the next gray one I have is from Kat Von D. This is in the shade Dagger, and this is Dagger. And the last gray shade I have is from NYX, and this is in the shade Stone Fox, and this is Stone Fox. So I got a different shades, ranges of grays here, which is what you want, or at least is what I want. I want to have an options. I don't want to have to be like, this is it. I have 1 gold topper, and this is from CoverGirl. This is their Lip Lava. And I really do like it because it's like a nice glossy gold shimmery thing, and honestly I just use that as by itself. So as far as pencils goes, I have gray, black, white. The majority of these are from NYX except for this one, which is from Sephora, but these are all just silver, grays, whites. And then I have my jumbo pencil, Black Bean from NYX, and then also Pots and Pans. These are my other pencils. So now let's move on to my nudes. We'll save my favorite colors for last. Recently NYX did their Elements, and this is Elements, and this is like a nice mauve, not mauve, but like a nice rich brown. And that's that shade. I haven't really worn it yet, but it is a gorgeous nudish shade. This is Bow and Arrow, and I am wearing Bow and Arrow today on my lips. Okay, so as far as pencils go, my favorite nude pencil will have to be NYX's Chestnut, and I am also wearing that today. And the next one will have to be the NYX Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. And then the other one will be Brooklyn Thorn. Brooklyn Thorn is more like a mauve brown, where these two are like a straight chocolate brown, and I like to use these mostly for like ombre or like nude day looks. And another one of my pencils, again, are all from NYX. These are just different shades of pinks, browns, and this one is from Buxom, which is their Brooklyn. I honestly don't think I wear this one, but it's not like a bad shade either. It just doesn't pop up very well. And the actual like applicator is sucky, and it's just super pink. I don't know if you guys can really tell with the camera, but it's just not me, but then it is sometimes. I don't know. So those are the pencils. And then you saw the Bow and Arrow. I have my lip gloss, and this is the Makeup Forever. You see me use this a lot in my other videos. This is also from Sephora. This is number 44, which is like a mauve gray brown tone. Also from NYX, I have their NYX Lingerie and Liquid Suede, both in the shade Downtown Beauty and Honeymoon. Honeymoon I've definitely used in a video. I'm not sure if I used Downtown yet, but I think I used it on a look. I'm not sure, but these have been used. TBT from Tartarless Paint. You see me create this one in previous Valentine's Day look. Sephora lip gloss, just a new gloss. Nothing too special. These two are from ColourPop, and one is a glossy tip and the other one is a satin lip. This is the satin, this is the gloss. This is more like a very like peachy white pink topper, and this is very nude mauve pink, and I like the way they both come out. And then the last set of nudes is from my Kylie Cosmetics. These two to go together. I got these in the lip kit. This is in the shade Love Bite, and then these all three came from the Cocoa series from Kylie. And those are all my nudes. And then last but not least, we gonna work on my favorites, y'all. This is my favorites. Okay, so my favorite lipsticks, just because of the shades of the colors, these are the reason why they're my faves. They're not like any special other reason other than that they're my favorite jewel toned colors. Okay. So I have all these pencils. Again, they're all from NYX, and you're probably wondering why does she have so many pencils from NYX, and that's because, again, I used to have my store and I used to have all these pencils, and the majority of them came from NYX Cosmetics. Anyway, I have a crap ton of colors, which is all same colors, green, blues, and purples is different ranges, and these are literally all from NYX. This is from Spectra, which is from my old business, my little cosmetic business, Spectra. I don't have any more other stuff for this one, and this is a nice purpley pencil, and I use this a lot, especially by itself. Excuse the dirtiness of it, but yeah, I use this purpley shade a lot. Fenty Beauty, you already see me do a video on that one. Sephora. You just saw me do a teal on that one. I have an NYX one. It's on my blue favorites video, and I'll make sure to link that one up there too. You see me use that one. Black Radiance Beauty, so I'm gonna use this on the haul. Tartarist, this was used in the makeup tag video that I did, the makeup style video. That is the lipstick I was wearing. As far as NYX goes, we have the liquid suede in the shade Amethyst, and also in Oh Put It On, and this has also been used in 2 of the, I feel like, the last couple of videos. This is Kat Von D, Suspiria, and Echo was my first blue lipstick, and I really do love it. The next one is from Sayete, and this is a liquid Velvet, and this is in the shade Envy. And the last one from ColourPop is their Marshmallow, which is a really nice light purpley tone. I think I've used this in a video, or it's on my Instagram, one of the two, but I've definitely used this before. I try to use a lot of them so you guys can see the different products I have, but sometimes it might not come through. And that is literally, guys, all my lipsticks. I have a big collection, but then I don't have a big collection. And again, I'll show you a clip of the Jeffree Stars, and I also will just lay out all the lipsticks and the pencils just so you can see everything out in line for you guys. So I'm gonna do that now as I'm talking. So if you guys have any questions on any of the products that I showed you, or if you want me to show you more swatches of the things, or if you want me to just do like a video just showing all the colors and ranges so you can see them, let me know down below. I'd be happy to do that. That actually sounds like a lot of fun, like doing like a video just like a shades of color and lips, and then actually sounds pretty I don't know. Well, you guys let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys like it, and if you made it this far, then you might as well go ahead and click that button down below. The reason one, did you see this? This for one. Number 2 would be the lipsticks, and number 3 would be like, why the hell not? Like, I know you want to be a part of the fam. So, guys, thanks so much for the love and support. I appreciate it. I truly do, and I'm surprised these lasted the entire time. Yeah, I really like the look today too. I'm just like, okay, Kandi, we see you, boo boo, we see you. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye. Bye, guys.